this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things you need to know to help you decide if it's time to break up with your bank. Hey everybody, my name is Michael and welcome to the Therealmichaelberry channel, where I have a passion for seeing millennials being successful with their money. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking on the bell notification so that way you guys know when I make a video. When I opened up my first checking account, I was 17. And by the time I closed that account, I was 22. A lot of us don't realize how much can change in your finances in a 5 to 10 year window. I went from graduating high school, graduating college, starting a new job, transitioning to a new job. I had my family grow. I had promotions. So each one of those things that changed in my life affected the way I either collected money, how I spent money in some form or fashion. Because of that, when many of us open up a bank account, we usually keep it the same. We don't make any changes, and that account may not fit you like it once did when you first opened it. So when you're talking about a bank is a relationship. What you put into it, you should be able to get some things out of it. If your bank or your credit union is always just take, then it may be time to make some changes and break up with your bank. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you should know. You should start doing an assessment to figure out if your bank is still working for you. And if not, you can start looking around for some different options. Number 1, transactional fees. If you're getting hit with multiple transactional fees per month, this may be a sign it's time to find a new bank. When you talk about transactional fees, this is when you use your debit card too often or too little per month to waive that fee. When you're depositing too much cash, then they hit you with a processing fee. Or if you're hitting the ATM too many times per month, then they hit you with a convenience charge. At this point, it's costing you to use your own money at your bank. Number 2, interest rates. As of right now, the interest rates for savings accounts and CDs aren't paying much of anything. If you have your money in a savings account, yes, you have it for convenience. If there's an emergency and you need money, you can pull it out. But if you're looking to gain value with your money there, it's not going to happen. The national average when it comes to savings accounts is 0.05%. Like I said, it's much of nothing. And if you're looking to keep your money there, due to inflation, you're actually losing value on your money sitting in that account. Now, on the other hand, you have CDs. Now, if you're comfortable with locking your money away for CDs, you can do that, but you're talking 5-6 years before you're actually able to earn anything decent from it. Now, one thing I looked online. You have a lot of new banks that are offering online only, but at the same time, they're offering much higher interest rates than what you can get in most financial centers. I've seen online where it's 0.7%, 0.65%, 0.60%, which is going to earn you a lot better than 0.05%. Number 3, poor customer service. Anytime you have an issue with your money, you want to get it taken care of at that moment. When you call over the phone, you don't want to have to wait for 2 hours to get that issue taken care of. If you walk inside the bank, you don't want to have to wait for an hour just to see a banker. If you see or need a cashier's check, you need to see a teller, and you walk inside, they have 6 windows, but 1 teller, and they have a long line because of it. You may need to find a financial center that prioritizes customer service to make sure that you're getting treated the right way. Number 4, never walk into a branch. Many of us actually don't walk into a branch that often unless you need to update information, get a cashier's check, or a temporary debit card. Because of that, there are alternatives when it comes to banks and credit unions, and most of them are online banks. A lot of them allow you to update your information online, get direct deposit forms, you can get a debit card through the digital wallet. So a lot of it allows you to do your banking online. And then at the same time, they offer little to no fees. They allow you to have better rates when it comes to savings and CDs. So that way, if you don't want to walk into a branch and online is more convenient for you, that may be just a better option for you. Number 5, monthly maintenance fee. Depending on the type of account you have determines what kind of fees you have with that account. And depending on how you get paid determines if you can waive that fee. For most people who get paid direct deposit or able to hold a higher balance in their account, that's going to waive most of your fees with your bank. Now, for the people who have business accounts who get paid by paper check or cash, more than likely you're going to end up with a monthly fee. And if so, this is a sign to you to start looking for a new bank so that way you can waive your fee based on how you get paid. Now, before you guys make any big transitions with your bank right now, I want you to head down and talk to a banker. And the reason why is because most banks offer a loyalty program that helps their clients stay happy. So I've seen it where they offer free checking accounts. I've seen where they offer discounts when you buy a new vehicle or you refinance a vehicle. So they do have programs to help you save money and be happy with your current bank. But if you're not happy and you're ready to move, I want you to keep in mind, when you go to a new bank, you're starting from scratch. So if you deposit a check, they're going to put it on hold. You have to start that relationship from zero and work your way back up. And then at the end of the day, you want to make sure what you're doing is best for you, your money, and your family. Not only that, you want to make sure that's convenient for you. So that way, if you have an emergency, you can get access to your money and still move forward. In the comment section down below, I want you guys to put what issues do you currently have with your bank right now.